Hi all, welcome to the first class of Module 2 of the course Linear Algebra and Calculus.
This is the first class of our Module 2. The Module 2 deals multivariable calculus, especially the differentiation of multivariable functions. Many of the physical properties of a system may depend on more than one variable. For example, when we analyze the relation among volume, pressure and temperature, we can see that each quantity is depending on other two quantities. In such cases, we need multivariable functions. What is a multivariable function? A function involving more than one independent variables is known as multivariable function. Before going to the details, first we discuss what is a two-variable function. Consider the function y is equal to f of x. Here, we can choose any value for x. The value of y depends on the value of x. Therefore, here x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. We know how to differentiate this function y with respect to x. That is, dy by dx is equal to, say, the derivative of f of x denoted by f dash x. This is how we differentiate single variable function. Here the independent variable is x, therefore we are differentiating with respect to x. Now I am going to show you another function, say z is equal to f of xy. Look at this function. Here x and y are independent because these two variables can choose any value. But the value of z depends on the value of x and y. Therefore, this is a dependent variable. If you get a function like this, these kinds of functions are called functions of two variables. Here the independent variables are x and y. When you get a function like this, you can differentiate z with respect to x, also with respect to y. When you differentiate z with respect to x, we keep y as constant, and when we differentiate z with respect to y, we keep the other variable x as constant. Such differentiation method is known as partial differentiation. Okay, we denote the partial differential of z with respect to x as dou z by dou x, or we write like this, f with respect to x, which means that differentiate z with respect to x treating y as constant, and the other derivative is dou z by dou y. That means differentiate z with respect to y treating the other variable x as constant. Also we denote it by fy. So we got the two partial derivatives of z with respect to the independent variables x and y. These derivatives are known as partial derivatives. Partial derivatives. Once again, dou z by dou x means differentiate z with respect to x, treating the other variable y as constant. Dou z by dou y means differentiate z with respect to y by treating the other variable x as constant. Look at the first example. Find the partial derivatives dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y of the function z equal to x square plus 2xy plus y cube. Look at the right hand side. The right hand side is a function of both x and y. So we can differentiate this with respect to x, also with respect to y. I'll show you how to differentiate it partially with respect to x and y. Okay, the first one, dou z by dou x. This is equal to. We have to differentiate the right hand side with respect to x. That means the other variable y is kept as a constant. So here the derivative of x square is 2x plus 2 into the derivative of x is 1, y is constant. So in this term we have 2y is a constant because we are differentiating with respect to x, into derivative of x, that is 1, plus the last term is y cube. Here this is a constant because this is independent of x. Therefore the derivative of a constant is 0. Okay. So the answer is 2x plus 2y. Now find the derivative of z with respect to y. That means differentiate this function with respect to y, treating x as constant. So look at the first term. It involves only x, therefore the derivative is 0. Plus, in the second term, 2x is constant because we are differentiating with respect to y. Derivative of y is 1. Plus, what's the derivative of y cube? That is 3y square. So the final answer is 2x plus 3y square. This is how we differentiate a function of xy partially with respect to x and partially with respect to y. Next problem. Let f of xy equal to 5x cube y square plus 2x square minus 3y square plus 7x plus 3y. Find fx and fy, which means partial derivative of f with respect to x, partial derivative of with respect to f with respect to y. These notations are also used to denote partial derivatives. Also, fx of 1y, that means the value of f of x at fx at 1y and fy at 1, 2. We'll do 1 by 1. Okay. First, fx. That means differentiate f with respect to x, treating y as constant. So in the first term, 5y square is constant into derivative of x cube, that is 3x square, plus the second term contains only x. Therefore, the derivative is 4x minus this term contains no x, therefore it is a constant, so the derivative is 0, plus 7 into derivative of x, that is 1, plus the last term is independent of x, so the derivative is 0. So after simplifying, you will get 5 into 3, 15, x square, y square, plus 4x minus 4x plus 7. Okay, this is fx. Now what is fy? Fy, here in the first term we are differentiating with respect to y, so x is constant, so 5x cube into derivative of y square is 2y. The next term 2x square. 2x square is constant, with respect to y, x is constant. So this term derivative 0 minus 3 into y square. 3 into 2y, that is 6y. 3 into 2y, that is minus 6y. This term is 0. And the last term 3 into derivative of y, that is 1. So your final answer is 5 into 2, 10, x cube y minus 6y plus 3. Okay. The next is we have to find out fx at 1y. That means we have to put x equal to 1. Y is y itself. So what do you get? 15 into 1 square, that is 50. So 15y square plus 4 into 1, that is 4, plus the last term 7. This is fx at 1y. You can simplify this also. 15 y square plus 7 plus 4 is 11. Next, fy at 1, 2. That means x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 in this expression. That is 10 into 1 cube into y square. Sorry, y. Y is 2 minus 6 into 2 plus 3. Okay. So your answer will be 10 into 2, 20 minus 12 plus 3. 20 minus 12 is 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Next problem. Let f of xy equal to sine of 5x plus 3xy plus 2y square. Find fx and fy. So I am going to differentiate first partially with respect to x. That is fx. If you want, you can write fx at xy is equal to derivative of sine. It is cosine. Cos angle 5x plus 3xy plus 2y square into the derivative of this with respect to x. That is 5 into derivative of x is 1 plus in the second term 3y is constant and the derivative of x is 1. What about the last term? It is independent of x. Therefore, the derivative is 0. So, this is equal to, what do you get? 5 into 1, 5, plus 3y into 1 is 3y, into cos of 5x plus 3xy plus 2y square. Next, we differentiate this with respect to y. That is, next we differentiate this with respect to y. That is, fy is equal to, again the derivative of sine is cos. Cos of 5x plus 3xy plus 2y square into derivative of the bracketed function with respect to y, treating x as constant. So the first term derivative is 0 because 5x is a constant. Then in the second term we have 3x is constant and derivative of y is 1. And the last term 2 into derivative of y square is 2y. So after simplifying, what do you get? 3x plus 2 into 2y, that is 4y, into cos of 5x plus 3xy plus 2y square. So we got the derivative of f with respect to both x and y. We will discuss more problems in the next class. So, bye. Have a nice time.